You don't have to suffer anymore. No siree, you can eat junk food made by me.
Healthy,
and that
pleasure
rhymed.
food.
Ooh, ooh. Okay, let's
What
start
do we
again. So we're still working on the mug cake theme, and I like it because it's a small recipe, perfectly proportioned for just a small number of bites.
For a small person.
Nuttiness for a really small person. So this one is the cinnamon roll, and it's good.
Let's taste it. Surprisingly good.
It's good, and it reminds me of actually
A cinnamon?
of a cinnamon. It actually kind of reminds me of a pancake.
It does. It tastes like a pancake.
So you could get creative with these, I guess. They're good, but the great thing about them is it's a treat. You can just pop in your mouth and be done with it, and you're not committed to an entire piece of cake, which is always more than someone should be eating. And even the mug cake recipe, I mean, all 8 of these were one mug cake. You know, do you want to eat an entire mug of cake? Well, maybe you do, but anyway, this is a great way to
Perfect bite size.
pop a snack.
Yeah, you have to make this recipe. So let's just show you how to make it.
So I might have them for breakfast too.
Absolutely. Hey guys, thank you so much for watching. Please click the subscribe button and I will see you in the next video.